Hello and good morning YouTube. Today we have got the Hazelhurst car on and it's dirty. I did see it on Saturday. It's currently Wednesday and yeah, it's mucky. So let's head over to the Hazelhurst farm and go and have a look and see how bad it is. We have got two vehicles on the farm that we're doing today. One is Kate's car and one is Bev's car. So let's go and see how bad they are. We just got down to the Hazelhurst farm and here she is, sports fans. It's pretty dirty. It's always in here, but this isn't terrible. Normally, because it's dry, it's just dust. But normally when it's wet, there's clumps and clumps of mud in there. And Kate has just told me that apparently James nominated them for taking a bale of hay to school. So yeah, she did just pre-warn me that there's been a bale of hay in the boot. That's a why am I struggling to say that? A bale of hay. So yeah, we've got that to contend with. It's dust and dirt and it's not too bad. I think it was definitely worse when Mark had it, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, no, I don't let him drive it, so we're not too bad. Yeah, when Mark had it was definitely worse.
Yeah, but yeah, it's other than that, it's just general dirt and grime. I think the approach this time, I'm going to tackle the inside first and then the outside, because stupidly I brought the wrong footwear for washing cars in on a farm. So yeah, inside first, outside afterwards, just so obviously once this is all wet, I'm not just standing in it all. So yeah, let's get the vacuum out and start doing the inside. I have emptied the vac out this morning and put a fresh bag in it, because yesterday obviously we vacuumed the back of the van out and it was full of stones and it just absolutely filled the bag. But the back of the van's looking a lot tidier. Ooh, look, a brew. Magic. Thank you, Kate. Yeah, we'll get cracking. Hello, Jonah. Hello, girl. For those of you that don't know, this is Jonah. She just roams the farm freely. Big softy, aren't you? Hey, big softy. She comes to inspect that we've done a good job on the car. Obviously, we're still not started yet. I've been sidetracked. You got strokes, didn't you? Right, we're about 2 hours in. And the interior is somewhat complete. Just needs an air freshener and the mat's putting back in. But it's looking a lot better than it was. Never comes up perfect, this. It's scratched to death and had a tough life, but it's clean for what they need it for. Just got the exterior to do, and then we're on to the little Mini Cooper that is just over there, the other side of the skip. So let's get this exterior knocked out and jet wash the mats off, and then this one is done. Right, 3.5 hours later, and the car is looking better. Inside, nice and clean, mats are back in, air freshener is sprayed in there. Don't put hangers in on maintenances, but looking a lot better. Happy?
I like it, it's clean.
Doesn't stay clean for long round here, does it? But
I've got to try and keep it clean until Saturday to the wedding, so we don't get filthy going to the wedding.
right, on to the next one. Okay, so this is the next vehicle. Nice little Mini Cooper, like half the size of that one. So yeah, this shouldn't take as long. A couple of hours, should have this one looking good again. Rubber mat on the floor, underneath not too bad. This does come on the farm quite a lot, but look at that, the lines are still in the carpet from last visit. Seat belts are still tucked behind the little thing. Oh, love it, love it. This one isn't going to take too long at all. So, oh, the back's a bit dirty, but yeah, not bad at all. Right, let's get this one knocked out. The size of that, massive. Just having a butty, then we'll get the outside done. Interior is done now. Probably took half an hour, if that. But the outside shouldn't take too long either, so get this set and crack on. Right, and that is Bev's all done. Looking so much better. Lovely little car, isn't it? Give us a quick look inside. The mats are back in. The steering wheel is nice and like matte satin finish as it should be. Yeah, all looking good. With the Minis, I think once you dress them plastics, it just absolutely transforms them. So even if it looked a bit tired before because the plastics were a bit like dirty or dusty, now they've been dressed, it just looks so much better. It makes it look like a brand new car again, just from dressing them bits of plastic. Does want to polish at some point. This car, I don't know if you can really see, but it's quite heavily marked with like brush marks from going down the lanes, I'm guessing. But that's that one, all done. 2 nice clean cars. That's me done for the day, because I do sort of dedicate the day for these because I know how bad that one can be. So yeah, catch us when we're back at home, filling the van up. The van's actually managed to stay quite clean, I think. Yeah, clean enough. Right, let's get home. Right, okay, we're back home, and don't know if you can see this behind me. Where is it? There it is. Takeaway has been ordered. We're on a kebab tonight, and we're just watching Nico travel the world for free. So this is like 3 hours long, this video. I reckon we're probably best part of an hour into it. Quite interesting, but we are about to sit down, eat some food and chill out. I have already filled the van up, so the van is done. I think that is it for today, so I'm going to probably end the video here. I know not much is going on again. Kate's car and Bev's car didn't take too long. Kate's car took longer than it should have. I need to really get on top of getting that one done quicker. Maintenance for me, I try and keep within 2 hours. Sometimes it runs over, but 3.5 hours is quite excessive. So I need to try and somehow bring that in a bit. But obviously, I'm always trying to do as good a job as possible, where possible, without going like too like above and beyond. It is only a maintenance valet. They are every 6 weeks. Obviously, they probably do want to be more frequent, but it is what it is, sort of thing. Yeah, it just wants. I need to really clamp down on keeping it within that 2 hour gap if I can, or even 2.5 hours would be great. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Figure that one out at some point. Just trying different things to try and bring it in. The thing is, it's such a dirty vehicle that you're using all different techniques to try and find what works to give the best results in the quickest time. But if you've got any recommendations, please let me know in the comments what you think might work better for their vehicles. Farm vehicle, full of mud, inside and out, straw, hay, whatever it might be. The seats all need scrubbing all the time because there's so much dirt sort of ingrained in the leather. Yeah, it's just... yeah. I need to shorten that time somehow. Let me know what you think in the comments. But for now, that is me, done for the day. We're going to sit down, chill out, eat some food, and I will catch you tomorrow in the next one, where tomorrow I've got a very busy day, which I've got 4 vehicles on, as well as Duel, which bonus are all in one spot. But yeah, one of them is a large vehicle, which is Defender 110. We've got 2 Teslas, and I think he either said the M2 or the Audi R8. One of them two has been done. They all need doing, irregardless. So 4 are getting done tomorrow. Somehow, some way. I don't know. I'm gonna have to pull it out of the hat, pull it out of the bag, pull it out of the hat, pull it out of the bag somehow. But for now, that's me for tonight, folks. Thank you very much for watching. If you've not already, please subscribe, drop us a like, leave us a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's, where we've got 4 vehicles to get done. Peace!